This is Brian from Foothills Marine. I'm here today to touch base with you on a few things for getting that new boat in the water for the first time. First thing is, if you're not used to backing a trailer, go to a parking lot, give yourself 15 or 20 minutes, turn yourself into a pro. Don't put that kind of pressure on yourself at the boat ramp on Saturday morning. Second of all, get familiar with your boat. Know where the drain plug is, tie down straps for the transom to the trailer, life jackets, throw cushion, corner whistle. You need quite a few things to be legal with the game warden. And when you do get to the boat ramp, there should be a place that you can get over to the side out of everybody's way, give everybody some courtesy to get their boat in and out of the water. You can get ready to launch your boat for the first time. And if you are a new boater, you may need to get familiar with the lake, such as no wake zones, shallow points, and just kind of be familiar with the lake before you do head up and eliminate the risk of tearing your new boat up. If your boat is brand new, there is a break-in procedure for that new engine, and each manufacturer has its own recommendation on how to break that new motor in. You need to vary the RPM, give it some wide open throttle at periods of time, and there is a 10-hour break-in time on all engines. Each new engine comes with an owner's manual that tells all the break-in procedures, maintenance, tune-ups, water pumps, what you need to be doing to maintain that engine correctly to give you years of fun. We are always available here at Foothills Marine to help you if you have any questions on your new purchase, whether it be new or used. And if you ever have any questions, my name's Brian. Just give us a call here at Foothills Marine. Be happy to help you.